Hello friends, welcome to my channel Knowledge Hub. Current topic is how to get success and achieve more in life. This is lecture 3 of 3 lecture series. I am Achal Kumar Sharma presenting the lecture. In the previous lecture, we discussed about goal, characteristics of SMART goal, how goals are set and creation of action plan worksheet. Now in this lecture, we shall discuss various factors useful to accomplish our action plan. Writing of action plan may be easy, but execution of action plan is not so easy. And there may be various problems due to our own attitude, mind setup, and some outer problems created by outer circumstances. We know that contribution of special skill, formal education, and superior intelligence to our success is only 15%. Remaining 80%, 85% of our success depends on our attitude. Attitude is reflected by our behavior in our daily life. Our attitude is formed by our mind setup, way of thinking, how we see the things, and our reaction to situations in our life. A well-dressed and good-looking person may not be having good attitude. There are two types of persons, one having positive attitude and another having negative attitude. Persons with positive attitude are optimists. They may be identified easily because they seek solution for every problem. They say that it may be difficult, but it is possible. They spread positive energy among all. They are solution seekers. Means they seek solution for every problem. They are good motivators also. While persons with negative attitude are pessimist. They spread negative energy among others. They seek problem in every solution. They say that it may be possible, but it is too difficult. If you want to success in life, always have positive attitude and be optimist. Stop being negative by finding out the real problem implanted in your thinking and habits, and replace these with positive thinking and good habits, and then you will see tremendous changes in your life. Now, to get success in life, follow up the mantras hidden in the word success itself is to be followed. And now we shall discuss this topic also. First letter of the word success stand for see your goal. It means you should be very clear about your goal. Three things are to be very clear. What is my goal? why I have set this goal, and what I will get after achieving the goal. Write down answer of these questions on the worksheet. Repeat answer of these questions after some intervals. It will provide you positive energy towards achieving your goal. Second letter of the word success, U, stand for understand the obstacles. It is sure and certain that during execution of your action plan to achieve your goal, you will face some problems. You have to deal these problems with positive attitude. Note that each problem has a solution. You have to identify the cause of problem, and once the cause of problem is identified, a number of ideas are generated in your mind to solve the problem. Try one of these ideas to solve the problem. Many times, one or more ideas may not work and problem may not be solved. But don't quit. One of these ideas will definitely work and problem will be solved. Persistence is required to solve the problem. Here, the key is the right attitude towards the obstacle. A great thinker, Jim Rohn said, "You can never control the wind, but you can always adjust your sail." You must also remember, as told earlier, that Thomas Edison tried 9,999 times before he invented the electric bulb. But he never quit. And he did not said that he has failed. He said that he has proved that those 9,999 ideas will not work. We solution focused, not problem focused. Third letter of the word success, C, stands for create a positive mental picture. Mental picture are thoughts in the pictures, just like daydreams. Start daydreaming. When you use them correctly, you can make positive changes in your life. Think positive about completion of your goal. And imagine what good would happen in your life, the appreciation you will get from others, how your social status be upgraded, and how it will make you happy and satisfied when your goal is achieved. Visualize in your mind repeatedly. Ultimately, your subconscious mind will accept them as reality. This would affect your thinking, behavior, and action, and consequently, you will work more effectively to achieve your goal. This is the secret of law of attraction and creative visualization. Fourth letter of the word success, C, stands for clear your mind closest. During the execution of your action plan, a lot of tasks may be there to be completed within certain time frame. Don't try to remember all these and store in your head. Rather than write down in a list. Similarly, ideas related to your action plan should be written on a paper or in a computer hard disk. And clear your mind from negative and useless thoughts. It will help you to keep your mind stress free. If working in a group, learn to say no if the work is not related to you and you are not responsible for completion of that particular work. Because if you just keep saying yes to something, you may very often get stuck with doing it. So train yourself to say no when you need to say. Avoid interruption when working. It will improve quality and accuracy of the work and also saves the time. Don't keep the work pending when you have time to do it because they just sit in your mind and you cannot perform another work properly without completing previous task. So do the desired task as soon as possible and clear your mind. If you have some problem related to your work and you are unable to find any solution of the problem, do not hesitate to take help of your colleagues or your seniors. It will clear your mind immediately. Make a habit to take small breaks during work. This will make you far more productive than if you just attempt to wade through one consecutive task after another. Be honest with yourself and senior or colleagues to offload the strain of your mind. Now the fifth letter of the word success, E, stands for embrace the challenge. During the execution of your action plan, you may face various challenges or adverse circumstances. Challenge is something new and difficult, and you have to embrace the challenge. Keep patient, be optimist, and determined. When you face any challenge, take necessary steps to cope with the challenges. All successful persons have faced challenges before they got success. Continue your efforts to cope challenges, and you will see that challenges help you develop into mature, stable, confident, and purposeful human being. Challenges are like roadblocks in the way of your success. Percentage of your success depends upon how you react and deal these challenges. Believe in yourself, keep yourself motivated. Only those persons reach their destination who keep moving towards their destination. Make a practice to read some motivational quotes daily. to improve your or to increase your positive energy. Now the next letter of the word success, S, stay, stands for stay on the track. Moving on the right track to achieve your goal consistently is necessary to achieve your goal. Most effective way to stay on the track is to review your progress periodically. This interval should be weekly, monthly, or half yearly according to the size and complexity of your action plan. Next step is to evaluate your progress. By monitoring and evaluating progress, you will get necessary information needed for adjustment or adoption of some new strategy. Be honest while evaluating your progress. Now the final and last word of the letter S stands for see the word that you can do it. Again, take the example of Thomas Edison, who invented electric bulb only after 9,999 attempts, but he never said that he has failed. Your failure is identified only when you quit. The only thing that is responsible for failure is your fear of failure. Be confident enough in your actions, trust yourself, and act. Mahatma Gandhi said, the future depends on what you do today. Similarly, Mother Teresa said, yesterday is gone, tomorrow has not yet come. We have only today, let us begin. This is the end of third and last lecture of the series How to Get Success and Achieve More in Life. I think all the three lectures of this series will help you to set your goal, make action plan to achieve your goal, and following the mantras hidden in the word success will definitely help you getting success and achieve more in life. All the best. Have a good day. If you like these lectures, kindly don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.